take my time far behind, leave my pride. Oh, is it alright if I stay? Is it alright if we just
asleep with the memory buried deep. We don't want it, all we are here and now, still just apart. Someone tell me, lay it out, where we went wrong in our doubt. Holding hands here with our sons, so plead for everyone, singing grace and peace to you. Mirrored fangs and helpless youth, we were once a righteous few. Look deep and spit the truth. What have we become? What have we become? What have we become? What have we become? Sister, my sister, do you feel something yet? We're a little or plenty, bowing down nonetheless. My brother, dear brother, hold fast in the midst. All is working against you, but you've got confidence. It's the taste on my tongue, it's the tang in my mouth. Double down on the cause, little room for the doubt. It's the body of bread, it's the blood and the wine. We were once a righteous few. Look deep and spit the truth. What have we become? What have we become? Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say now. I'm pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea.
Didn't think it'd go this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, my reading place, and late night tiptoe.